Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to watch NBA League Pass on your smart TV. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to a stable, high-speed internet connection. That's essential for smooth streaming. Next, open your TV's App Store. This could be the Samsung Smart Hub, the LG Content Store, or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android TV. Now, search for the NBA app or NBA League Pass and install it if it's available for your TV model. The NBA app is officially supported on Android TV, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Fire Stick Gen 3, or higher, Hisense, Smart TVs, Comcast, and a few others. If your smart TV doesn't support the NBA app, don't worry. You can still stream it using a casting device like Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV, or Fire Stick. Once you have the app installed, open it and sign in using your NBA account. If you don't have one yet, go to nba.com, create your account, and purchase your League Pass. After logging in, you'll be able to browse live games, replays, and highlights all right from your smart TV. And if the app still isn't available, you can use your phone or computer to cast the NBA app to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. And that's it. That's how you watch NBA League Pass on your smart TV. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.